Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter pancakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. For that rich flavor, grab 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. To ensure fluffy pancakes, have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder ready. A pinch of salt will enhance all the flavors. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our batter ready. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, combine the milk, egg, and melted peanut butter. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. It's time to cook these delightful pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. You'll know they're ready to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges appear set. Carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious peanut butter pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, stacked high, and get creative with your toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup, a dollop of extra peanut butter, or some fresh sliced bananas are all wonderful choices. For an extra treat, sprinkle on some chocolate chips while they're cooking. These fluffy, flavorful pancakes are perfect for a special breakfast or a delightful brunch. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.